guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to unbox with you my Alma BB from the Louis Vuitton LVxFornasetti collection, which is such a beautiful collection, and this bag particularly was sold out for so much time, and my sales assistant, thanks to Mr. Schley, he managed to get this bag for me. So today we are gonna unbox this beauty out here. So I'm gonna put this back down so we can just like open the box. So Louis Vuitton always like unbox their boxes so nicely. So we have here the strap, and also here there is the receipt, but I will show it to you a little bit later when we are gonna talk about the price. First, let's take a look at this bag, guys. It's so nice. Just look at it, how beautifully packed it is. It is so nice, and also it's so small. Okay, guys, this is the bag. This is the Alma BB from the Louis Vuitton LVxFornasetti collection. Oh my god, this is awesome. It's just awesome, guys. Just look at this beauty. Just look at this beauty, guys. It's really nice. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe it. So guys, now I'm gonna tell you something about this bag because it's like awesome. I'm shocked. So this is the Alma BB. It's the smallest size you can get an Alma. So of course you can buy another Alma who is bigger, but this one is really small. So we have around 23 centimeters from here to here and 17 centimeters long, and you have around 11 centimeters wide. So it's really nicely made. This bag, as you can see, is made from calfskin leather, and also the canvas and monogram print is here. So it's really nice. Like, just take a look at it and enjoy. As you can see here in the print, there are Italian buildings printed. Like, it's an iconic bag, it's a limited edition, and it's really sold out everywhere. You really have to look for this bag so much. As you can see, this bag comes with the golden hardware, which is really beautiful. Here you have the zip. So I'm gonna open this bag for you so you can see the hardware. It's so beautiful. This bag is just awesome, guys. So let's open the bag together. It's so easily to be opened, really, it's a dream. So in the inside we have the monogram print. It's so beautiful. Just look at this bag. I will just take the strap out because they also give you a strap, so I will show you this a little bit later. Inside you have the lock, so I will show it to you. It's the Louis Vuitton typical lock, and also the Louis Vuitton writing. I will just put it here. So guys, this is the bag. Just look at the inside and look at this print in here. It says, I don't know if you can see it, it says Louis Vuitton LVxFornasetti. It's so nice. It's really beautiful. You can see the monogram print everywhere around the inside. It's really nice, and it's really beautiful. As you can see here, the print looks like stone, so it's beautifully printed. Like, this model here is really a limited edition, guys. So if you want to get this bag, you really have to go to every Louis Vuitton store. Just check out the online store, maybe it will be available, and if you find it available, just order it because it's really rare. Here we have a small leather sign with a Louis Vuitton writing on it in the black color, so it's really like okay. I think I would have done it like in a brownish color, but if you want to do it in black, it's also nice. I really love that they like made a combination from the monogram print and the like the Italian building print and the calfskin. It's really nice. So if you go to the bottom of the bag, you can see that here you can find the golden safety hardware for the bottom, so you can easily put the bag on the ground and it won't get damaged. The leather will stay like this, so it's really beautiful. It's amazing. I think it's an amazing cute bag. Just look at this, guys. Like, I've never seen such a bag until today. It's so interesting and it has so much history in it. I think it's a really exceptional bag with so much history, and it's just beautiful. Just take a look and enjoy. Yeah guys, so this was the Alma BB, which I had to order online. Like, my sales assistant ordered it for me, and it cost around 1,900 euros. So this is quite an expensive Alma, because I think the normal Alma BB, which is canvas all around, I think it's around 1,200 euros, but this bag is quite small and also quite pricey for this size. But still, it has a lot of space inside and you can really put some things in it, like even a bigger wallet would fit in, and I think it's okay. Like, this is a girly bag. It's not a classic bag. Like, maybe it has a classic shape for the Alma shape, but it's still not a classic bag because of the print. So you don't see this print very often. Now I want to show you the bag next to my other Alma, which is the bigger Alma, and I want to tell you that this bag is not a bag for the office. So if you have a lot to carry, or if you want to have a bag which you can take with you all around every day, this is not the bag for it because of the size. So it's very small. Here I will show you the other Alma, which is the Alma MM, and it's really like the size, guys. It's much more smaller, as you can see. Like, it's like baby. So this bag is more for the office. The bigger Alma, this is, I think, the Neo Alma, which I also showed to you, but this one is stunning. So I would recommend this bag for you all because it's for Louis Vuitton lovers. So if you want to have a limited edition Louis Vuitton bag, just buy this bag if you can get it, because it's a classic and the Alma shape will always be in fashion. You can do nothing wrong with this shape, guys. Also, this bag, as I told you, it comes with a strap which can be easily adjusted to the bag. So maybe you can do it like this, and then the other one like this, and then you have like a strap with the bag. You can wear it crossbody. So now I will show it to you. So guys, I'm gonna show you how you can wear this bag, because it has a lot of styles how you can put it on and can look classy but also super sporty. So as you can see, you have the two handles in here, which are really soft, but also very like, they are a little bit heavy. You can wear it in your hand as a mini tote maybe. So it's really beautiful because it looks so tiny and it's still elegant. But the thing is, if you wear it with the handles, you are not hands-free, so maybe sometimes it's a little bit unpractical, but therefore you have the strap. So you can just wear it on your shoulder and then you are like hands-free, but still the bag, I have to say that this bag is not heavy at all. Like it's really light, and I think that it has a shape which doesn't disturb you when you're like walking or when you're like shopping, or if you just like wear it going to the restaurant or to a dinner. It's really beautiful because it has the perfect size for it. So as I said, it's not really an office bag, it's just a going out bag. So you can wear it like this in your shoulder, or you can put it crossbody like this, and it falls so beautifully. Just look at it, just look how perfectly it falls. It doesn't fall too low and also not too high. It has the perfect height, and you can always like use the zip even at this high. So it's really beautiful. I am in love with this bag, and I would recommend this bag to all of you girls who are loving Louis Vuitton and who are like Louis Vuitton lovers and limited edition bag lovers. So guys, this was the Alma BB with the Fornasetti collaboration, which I find so interesting because those bags are really having a history besides, and it's not just a bag, it's like a history thing. So I think you can really enjoy wearing this bag, so I would really recommend you. So guys, it was really such a pleasure showing you this limited edition bag from the Louis Vuitton x Fornasetti collaboration. I'm really glad to having show you this and to share this beauty with you, and I would be really happy if you would leave me a like or comment my video about this beautiful bag. Maybe put a comment under my video if you also own this bag, and also your ratings about this bag. And I would really recommend you to subscribe to my channel so we can discover all my designer bags together on Tuesdays and Fridays. Stay tuned.